In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription, and you guys know this is something I do every single month, and I do it over a glass of wine, a drink, beer, whatever. And this is my downtime and I love this. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So today I have a little bit of a Jack with me. He's gonna be keeping me warm while I do this video because it's freezing. So Goddess Provisions, a little bit before we go into the box, this is one of my, the things I look forward to every month. And it has tremendously enhanced my spiritual practice. And it's $33 a month. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and I plant a tree for every box sold. There's 5 to 7 full-size items in the box, and you guys know, if you have seen my channel every single month, there is something so beneficial in these boxes that will really up your spiritual practice, like I'm telling you. The monthly box is $33 a month, but I know that if you do get 6 months or the whole year subscription, you do get a little bit off. So if you're interested, the links are down below. Let's get into opening the box. Okay, so it's starting to get super cold over here in California. I'm not gonna lie, that Jack is going down smooth and keeping me warm. So as soon as I open the box, this is everything that I see in it. There's a lot of things in there. Let's dive in. The first thing that I always like to do is grab that little postcard in the back or in the bottom of the box, because it tells you everything that's in the box, how much it is, and also there's almost always some kind of digital download. So they give you discount codes, digital downloads, and so you always want to check that out. And look at that, it says you are safe. This is a message I needed to hear right now. This is so insane. You guys know I like to, the first page, I always like to cut it out and put it in my journals or on my fridge, because the artwork is great, the affirmations, intentions, whatever's written on there, it's very uplifting and positive. So I always save those, and I really needed this message. When you open the book up, there's also a monthly mantra that they give you. And this month is, I cherish my energy and nurture my aura. So this whole box is curated with that mantra. Your aura. Okay, the first thing I see here looks like either a little roller or maybe a mini spritzer. Here's what it is. It's Sonia's Shield. It's an immunity blend. It's an essential oil roller. And as soon as I smelled it, it smelled straight up like pine, like Christmas. So I'm excited for this. So this contains rosemary, lemon, eucalyptus, clove bud. You can definitely smell all of that together. I swear it smells like either pine or a chai latte. You can smell the rosemary too. I really like this. I like this. And rosemary is very, very protective for your aura. Cloves, it's if you have cloves around or you burn cloves, negative energy cannot stay in its presence. So this is very good. So the Sonia's Shield is a $12 value, and they also give you 20% off if you want to go shop on their website. Okay, the next thing that I see here is wrapped up, and it looks like some kind of cloth. I think this may be tapestry is what it feels like. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys. Oh my God, when I was little, and anytime I would go to my grandparents' house, they would always have fabric calendars in their house. This reminds me of that so much. Do you guys see that? How pretty is that? It's the whole moon cycle of 2021. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this right next to my computer so that I see this all the time. There's no excuse for me not to have all the videos up next year, right? Okay, so this Seed of Creation 2021 moon calendar is a $25 value, and you actually get a 33% coupon code if you go on their website. I really, really like this. This would be such a good gift idea. The next thing I see here is Aroma Stick Natural Inhaler Calm, a comforting scent to help you stay composed and in control, and it's 100% organic. I have seen these, but I've never tried them. So I guess you just inhale it. Ooh, yeah. That smells really good. I mean, I don't know how to use this. If you guys, do you know how to use this? Tell me in the comment section down below how to use this. I mean, of course I'm gonna read the instructions and use it properly, but I just wanted to smell it. It smells really, really good. And for somebody like me who suffers from allergies, asthma and stuff like that, this is gonna come in handy so much. And this retails for $9.50. And it's aromatherapy basically. So I really like this. I'm gonna be using this, and I probably will order a lot more of these and just throw them around my purse, my office, in the bathroom. This is really nice. Okay, so let's take a little break. I shouldn't be looking because it tells you everything that's in there, and I'm like over here looking. I shouldn't be looking, right? The next thing I see in here, just the color palette of this book gives me a tingly, excited feeling. Just the colors invoke that. Like, it's so pretty, right? So this is Understanding Auras. It's a guide to understanding auras, seeing, reading, protecting your aura. I would love to get to know more about auras. Right now, I'm studying something else. And as soon as I'm finished studying all of that, I do want to get into auras more. And this book, I feel like, oh, let me show you. This book, I feel like would be the perfect like beginner's guide. Even like not even beginners. I feel like there's a lot of information here that would be so useful and beneficial. It's very, very colorful. See a lot of, wow, I'm excited to get into this. I love when these boxes give books because it just gives me something to do, something to learn. I grow mentally, spiritually. It's just, this is something that there's no value on stuff like this. So the Understanding Aura book is $12. That's actually not bad. I would have thought it would be more, but it's $12 value. And they also give you a coupon code for 11% off of their store if you go and like, you know, want to browse their store. The next thing that I see here, it's a shungite sticker. Okay, so shungite. Shungite is something that I like to keep in my water. And if you look it up on Google, you'll understand why I do that. And also, this is such a good stone to put your cell phone near, or to put near your computers, TVs, laptops. This shungite sticker is $9. I might even buy one for my boyfriend because I think this is genius, like to put it as a sticker. So this is the Miracle Stone, and it's revered for its mysterious powers. Stick this near electronics. To ground and protect your aura and your energy from negative vibrations. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put this on my cell phone. So let me show you. Can you guys see that? It's a shungite sticker, and it does have sacred geometry on it. And then on the back, it has a little mantra. I don't know if you can read that from the glare, but the energy of the shungite mantra. I am protected, I am safe, and I am grounded. Let's take another little break while I open up this next thing, which is a crystal. By the way, I did upload a unboxing of a brand new oracle deck that I got on Patreon. If you guys are interested in seeing me unboxing my new tarot decks over there. Okay, so this, it is a black crystal, which I love black crystals. I'm not too familiar with a snowflake obsidian, but I mean, it came to me for a reason, right? So I'm very excited to look this up. By the way, I am so sorry for those nasty ass nails. I will handle that this week. Now the snowflake obsidian retails for $4. That's actually a really good price for a tumbled stone like that. Now the last thing that I see here is also very bright in color, and it looks like a notebook, like a very nice, very good quality notebook. Nope, it's not a notebook. What is this? It's a wallet. So can you guys see that? It is a wallet. Look at that, how pretty. And then you open it up and it's like this. Love that. I was actually looking to get a wallet, but I was like, should I not? Because I have one and it's perfectly in good condition, and I don't know if I should be spending the money to get a new wallet. And then it comes. This wallet is a $22 value, very good quality. I would definitely purchase this as a gift. I might get it as a gift for someone. I like this. All right, you guys, that was the haul or the unboxing of the Goddess Provisions. I love this month. Like, what a nice way to end the year. Just colorful and all about your aura. So you're protecting your aura, and then you're also getting rid of, you know, the nastiness from the aura, from the nastiness of the 2020 year, kind of just leaving it behind with all of this stuff, you know, the crystal, the shungite, everything is just perfect to end the year with. I love this box. If you guys are interested, the last day to get this box is the 16th, I think, or the 17th. 16th, I think. So head over to Goddess Provisions and see if you can still get your hands on it, because it is such a nice box to end the year with. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.